Today was a day full of mistakes, and I ended the morning session down about 1.3K across three accounts total. One account was down 700 something. The other two accounts were down 360. So ended the morning session down, and I walked away at a good time. But today was a great learning lesson for me because even though I feel like I saw the setups that I wanted to take, there were things that I didn't pay attention to and things that I missed on these trades that caused me to go red. And one thing that I can acknowledge I did very well at is just killing my losses very quickly. I didn't let anything run against me too much. I did kill my losses very, very fast, which is something I have worked on for a very long time, and just keeping tight stops and obeying them and being disciplined enough to kill those. So that's the one thing that I can acknowledge I did well here. All in all, I just wasn't patient enough, and I tried to chase trades more than I normally would. I don't actually like to chase trades at all, but today I was definitely chasing, and we'll go over the trades here. Let's dive into the chart. So looking at my first trade this morning, I did like this setup. This is probably one of the setups I did like the most. Even though Delta was weak, we had selling pressure. Delta was still weak. We didn't see buyers coming on Delta. I saw a little bit of curling. We went down, made new lows, and then got bought right back up. Could not make new lows. And then I saw us trying to make a run, and so I did buy this aggressive entry for me. And normally I want to buy much lower than this, but I did take an aggressive entry here, and I paid the price for it. I took 3 contracts for a loss of 390 on this one account. And then the very next candle, it showed me more signs of trying to get bought up. And so I chased it again and said, I'm going to give this one more opportunity, and paid the price for it. I got in, and it went against me $190 on all 3 accounts. I was in all 3 accounts on this trade. So $190 loss on each of the 3 accounts. And then, so that put me down like $500 something on one account, but down 190 on the other 2. Fast forward a little bit, and also looking at this too, like, again, we didn't see strength on Delta. Everything looked so weak. Price was getting bouncy. I wasn't patient enough. I did call out that we might see a VWAP test before we look for an entry, and I just didn't listen to my own self. I got impatient, and I took trades that I should not have taken. And then we came down and got the VWAP test, like I mentioned, and then we got bought right back up. Here was just horrible execution all in all. Very, very bad execution. We were getting bought up here. I saw the buy. I bought here. Again, aggressive buy. And then we started selling down. I didn't like the aggression of selling down, and I got out of it. I didn't give it enough breathing room. And I took overall the aggressive entry on this did not allow me to give it much breathing room. Normally, I would want to get in much lower and maybe have a stop loss below this wick. Had I done that, I would still have been in the trade and caught the run up like I anticipated. So overall, I was right on direction on this trade. I just took a very bad entry, and I chased it. And that's why I paid the price for this. Even though I was right, the entry wasn't what I needed it to be. And that was a mistake on my part. So overall, on the morning, after these trades, one account was down 750-ish, 760, and then the others were down 360. So about actually 1.4 down on the morning session. Fast forward, took a break, came back for the afternoon session where I took a trade here. I stopped out for basically break even. I got a little bit of profit. It's at a super tight stop loss. When I'm down on days like today, I don't let anything run against me. If I get in profit, I immediately set a break even. So stopped out for break even here. The next trade we saw a run down. I captured $110 on this short, bringing my accounts back just a little bit. And then on this trade here where I got long, so I actually reversed directions. I saw the selling pressure coming in on Delta, so I was expecting kind of a pullback here, and I caught that pullback. But when I saw us leveling out here, not able to make new lows, immediately killed it. Saw the buyers coming in and immediately reversed directions and got long. Normally I won't do this, but it was so clear to me that we were going to go up and make new highs. So I did get in this and took it for a $210 profit. So was super happy with that. Overall, I'm still red total on the day, but 2 of my accounts came back to essentially break even. I can actually show you here on the accounts. So 2 of my accounts here came back down to $67. So essentially a break-even day on those. Not a really big loss there. And then this account came down to $471 in the red when it was 760. So overall, my morning execution was horrible. Very, very bad. Not happy with how I executed trades. And the afternoon session, I came back. I was a little bit more clear-headed and grounded, and took better entries for some nice profit to bring me back on the day. So overall, the loss is very, very small in comparison to what I normally do. I also downsized. Normally, I trade 3 contracts on 2 accounts and just stick with one on one account. But on all 3 accounts, I've been trading 1 contract this week, mainly because of news. We had a lot of news this week, and I wasn't willing to risk a whole lot. So I kept things super small on contract size and downsized. And now my red days are, if I have a red day, it's very, very small in comparison to what I normally make. So super happy with that. Again, the execution on keeping my stop losses tight saved me today. That's something I've personally worked on for a very long time, and I've been on a long journey with, and super happy and pleased with where I'm at on killing stop losses, or killing losses in general. So overall, not a bad day. Not a bad day. We're red, but we're manageable. On days like today, after I have a red day, I like to just, after the markets close, I'll just step away from my computer. I won't watch my computer at all. I'll go back and reflect on my trading day, make some mental notes, what I did wrong, and then go into the next day just looking for base hits. We're not going to look for home runs. We're just going to regain that confidence back and take base hit trades tomorrow and finish the week strong and try to finish the week in the green. So overall in the week, I am still up green nicely, actually. I'm up like 4K on the week. So nothing to really complain about. Days like today happen. It's my 3rd red day within a month, so I'm not complaining at all. We all even the best day traders have red days, so nothing to complain about. But with that being said, guys, I am live Monday through Friday every single day on YouTube, where I am day trading the NASDAQ live on stream. So be sure to subscribe and like the videos if you want to catch more live streams, more live content, day trading the NASDAQ. I will be live again tomorrow to catch some moves. So like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and guys, I will see you in the next video. Cheers.